Memoir. Repeat after me. Memoir. Repeat after me.
Memoir.
When we use memoir in French, you know what? We apply some sense wherein we apply the uh, mentality, memory, thinking, say Claire. In that case, we apply memoir. Repeat after me. Memoir. Repeat after me,
Memoir.
please. Memoir.
Wow. Memoir.
Memoir. Repeat after me. Souvenir. Repeat after me.
Souvenir.
Souvenir. Souvenir. Repeat after me. Souvenir.
Souvenir.
Souvenir. Again, your memories. Repeat after me. L'esprit. Repeat after me. L'esprit.
L'esprit.
Repeat after me क्योंकि कुछ these are some vocabularies which play a vital role. Repeat after me. Less free, less free, less free. We use for the mindset. Now for
L'esprit.
example, you will say it is depending upon the mindset. So less free. Let me explain to you what is French language now. In order to clear your TEF exam, we have to come up with these type of vocabularies: mémoire, souvenir, l'esprit. C'est clair? D'accord? So repeat after me.
Clair.
Mémoire, souvenir,
Mémoire. Souvenir.
souvenir, l'esprit. Is it clear to
L'esprit.
you?
Yes.
Clear?
Clair.
Okay. Now, for example, we use a vocab which is uh, perception. Repeat after me. Use the vocab, please. Perception, very simple.
Perception.
Perception is perception.
Perception.
Is it clear to you? Clear?
Clair. Clair.
Hmm? Now we have verb dégager. Repeat after me. Kuch, we are very, very important vocabularies. Repeat after me. Libérer. Répétez après moi.
Libéré.
Libérer. Because
Libéré.
first of all, what we are doing over here, with the help of the links, you're improving your grammar, and in the session, you're improving your vocabularies. C'est clair? So now repeat after me. Libérer. Repeat after me.
Libéré.
Libérer, c'est the reverse, you're to free, to
Libéré.
release and to free. Libérer. Dégager. Repeat after me. Dégager.
Dégager.
Dégager is to release. Débloquer. Débloquer is to unblock. Débloquer. Répétez après moi. Débloquer.
Euh,
Language.
dé,
This is the content of the language. Faire libérer. Repeat after me. Faire
faire.
libérer. Libérer.
Libéré.
Basically,
Libéré.
literally meaning of faire is to do. Repeat after me. Faire is to do.
Faire.
Is to
Faire
do
is to do.
and to make. Is it clear to you? So repeat after me. Libérer,
Libérer.
dégager,
Dégager.
débloquer, faire
Débloquer.
libérer,
Libérer.
décoincer.
Décompte.
Décoincer is what? Décoincer is basically you're unstuck. You know you stuck and you unstuck. Unblock. Very important. Repeat after me. Libérer,
Libérer.
dégager.
Dégager.
Now, for example, you say stuck. You say I stuck somewhere. Coincer. And décoincer is unstuck. Whenever you never stuck, unblock. Débloquer, unblock. Clear. So, répétez après moi. Libérer. Repeat the language,
Libérer.
please. Dégager,
Dégager.
débloquer,
Débloquer.
faire libérer,
Faire. Libérer.
décoincer. Décoincer,
Décoincer.
c'est votre unblock. Coincer. Now, coincer is to stuck. Décoincer is to get unstuck. C'est clair? So
clair,
repeat after me. Mémoire. Répétez après moi.
mémoire,
Souvenir.
mémoire, souvenir,
Souvenir. L'esprit.
l'esprit, perception,
Perception. C'est clair.
mhm,
Libérer.
clair,
Libérer.
dégager,
Dégager. Débloquer.
débloquer,
C'est clair.
être, clair,
Faire. Libérer.
libérer,
Décoincer. C'est clair.
dégager,
Clear.
clair,
Clear. Repeat it out, please. Repeat again, please.
mémoire,
Mhm,
souvenir,
mhm,
l'esprit,
mhm,
perception,
mhm,
libérer,
mhm,
dégager, débloquer,
mhm,
faire,
mhm.
euh, faire,
Faire.
libérer,
Mhm,
faire,
mhm,
libérer,
mhm,
déconcer,
mhm.
déconcer.
Now, repeat after me. Diffuser. Vocabularies. Very important. Diffuser is to broadcast. Diffuser is to broadcast. You know, we use something in broadcasting. Diffuser, diffuse also, you know, to diffuse some information, to broadcast some information. Diffuser, to announce some information. C'est clair?
Uh,
Diffuser. Répétez après moi, because how the campaign works. The baggage of the vocabulary which relate only for TEF first. C'est clair? And obviously,
yes,
you're doing the campaigning for, you're doing the practice for the links also. C'est clair? So repeat after me. Very important. Diffuse is to spread also. Diffusing is to spread, spreading, spread also. So repeat after me. Diffuser, répétez après moi. Diffuser,
diffuser, diffuser,
c'est clair? Then we
clair,
vocab is se répandre is here. Se répandre. Se répandre,
contre,
c'est-à-dire quoi? C'est votre spread. 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 Se répandre. Repeat
se
after me.
répandre,
Se répandre. Repeat after
se
me. Se
répandre,
propager. Propager, c'est-à-dire quoi? C'est votre stretch. Propaganda. So repeat after me, please. Répétez après moi. Spread, spread, spread. What to say spread? Because in French language, whenever you appear yourself for TEF, repetition of the vocab are not allowed. Say clair. Is it?
clair,
So repeat after me. Diffuser. Répétez après moi. Diffuser is to spread.
spread,
Se propager is to spread. Se répandre is to spread. Tartiner, very important. Use the vocabulary. Tartiner, écarter, déployer.
party,
Let me explain to you how the TEF pattern works. If you really want to grab your TEF at the earliest, say Claire, it is
clair,
first we have to come up with the vocab of TEF. Say Claire. So répétez après moi, diffuser. Repeat after me. Diffuser,
diffuser,
se
diffuser,
propager, se
se
propager,
propager,
se verbs. I will explain to you. Se répandre. Repeat after me.
se répandre,
Tartiner. Repeat after me.
tartiner,
Tartiner. Écarter. Écarter.
écarter,
Deploy is to deploy. Déployer. Now, for example, if I want to say something in French, let me explain to you. For example, if I asked you to say something in French, obviously, you need a vocabulary exactement. You need a grammar. When we mix the grammar and vocab, this makes a language. C'est clair. So répétez après moi. Diffuser, se propager, se répandre, tartiner, écarter, déployer. Now, for example, if I'll say it spread, blah, blah, blah. It spread the diseases. C'est clair.
yes,
The garbage is spreading over here and there. For example, spread, se propager, se répandre, tartiner, écarter, déployer. C'est clair.
clair,
Claire? So répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Whatever vocab you're working for, mémoire, souvenirs, l'esprit, perception, libérer, dégager, débloquer, that how the vocab baggage works. Say Claire, can you repeat the vocabularies, please?
Yeah. Diffuser,
Mhm.
se répondre,
Se
se,
répondre.
pro,
Mhm.
se répondre,
Mhm.
se propager,
Exactement.
tartiner,
Tartiner.
tartiner, écarter,
Mhm.
déployer.
Exactement. Can you repeat the vocab from the memoir?
Mémoire, souvenir,
L'esprit,
l'esprit,
perception,
perception,
libérer,
libérer, dégager,
dégager, débloquer,
débloquer, fake,
faire,
euh,
faire,
faire, faire,
libérer. Uh-huh.
libérer,
Mhm.
déconnaître, diffuser.
Déconseil, because OI sound is va. The sound is OI is va. Déconseil, c'est clair.
Déconseil,
Déconseil, clair.
déconseil, clair,
Mhm.
diffuser,
Mhm.
se répondre,
Se
se,
répondre,
se
tartiner,
répondre,
tartiner.
tartiner, se propager,
Mhm.
écarter, déployer.
Déployer, c'est clair.
Oui,
Excellent.
clair.
Now, for example, we use the vocab of publicité. Very important. We use in section A, basically. So let me write it down. Repeat after me. Publicité. We use these vocab in section A, in section B also. Publicité is advertisement because my section A is based upon the advertisement. Publicité. Repeat after me.
Publicité,
Publicité, annonce. We have three vocab for publicité. Annonce, réclame. Repeat after me. Publicité.
publicité,
These are the, because we say a lot of time, I saw your advertisement in the newspaper because your section A is based upon the advertisement newspaper. Say Claire. So reclam is to claim, or I can say reclam is to claim basically. Say Claire. So repeat after me. Annonce and publicité. Repeat after me. Annonce.
annonce,
Annonce, c'est-à-dire quoi? C'est votre publicité. Advertisement, announcement, annonce, publicité. Repeat after me. Publicité.
publicité,
Publicité. Répétez après moi. Annonce,
annonce,
publicité. C'est clair.
clair,
Claire. Now repeat after me. Divertir. Repeat after
divertir,
divertir. Divertir,
divertir,
c'est quoi? C'est votre entertainment. Divertir. Repeat after me. Divertir.
divertir,
Say Claire. Divertir. What is that? This is to enjoy entertainment. So if I asked you, because section B, in your section B, you use these verbs because sometimes you have to convince your examiner, because section B is based upon the technique of to convincing your examiner, and you will say we can enjoy a lot over there. So what we can say? Divertir. Repeat after me. Divertir.
divertir,
Divertissement. Entertainment. Divertissement. Repeat after me. Divertissement,
divertir,
c'est-à-dire quoi? C'est votre entertainment. So, répétez après moi, divertissement. Repeat after me.
divertissement,
Répétez après moi, divertissement. Répétez après moi.
divertissement,
C'est clair?
clair,
Divertissement is entertainment. Divertir is enjoy. Amuser. Répétez après moi, mademoiselle. Amuser. Amuser is again
amuser,
to enjoy. Divertir, amuser, fun. Repeat after me. Divertir, divertissement. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Repeat after me. Divertir. Repeat after me, please.
divertir,
To
divertir,
entertain. Amuser. To have fun. Recevoir. Repeat after me. Very important vocab. Recevoir is to receive.
recevoir,
Recevoir is the
recevoir,
vocab to receive. Recevoir. Repeat after me. Recevoir. Repeat after me,
Reservoir.
mademoiselle. Recevoir.
Reservoir.
Exactement. So recevoir is my vocab to receive. Say clair. Is it clear to you,
Claire.
mademoiselle? Over here we have distress. Repeat after me. Distract is to distract. You know, distract. We say distract, distress. Repeat
Distress.
after me. Distress. Use the
Distress.
vocabularies. Divertir, repete après moi. Divertir is to entertain. C'est clair. Amuser
Yes.
is to have fun. C'est clair.
Music.
Recevoir is to receive. C'est clair.
Claire.
Distraire is to distract. Nourrir. Repeat after me. Nourrir
Nouric.
is
Nourrir.
to feed. You know, to feed the food. Nourrir, to feed, very important. Nourishment, basically. Nourrir. C'est clair.
Nourrir. Claire.
C'est clair. Repeat after
Claire.
me. Accueillir. Repeat after moi.
Accueillir.
Accueillir. Repeat after.
Accueillir.
Accueillir. Accueillir, c'est-à-dire quoi? C'est votre welcome. Accueillir. And we
Accueillir.
use a lot of times. Accueillir favorablement. Favorablement is favorably. Favorablement. C'est clair.
Favorablement.
So these are the baggage of the vocabularies which will work for TEF. C'est clair? So repeat the vocabularies. Diffuser, se propager, se répandre, tartiner, écarter, déployer, divertissement, divertir, amuser, favorable, recevoir, distraire, nourrir, accueillir, libérer, dégager, débloquer, faire libérer, déconseil, conseil, mémoire, souvenir, l'esprit, perception. Repeat it, please. 4 or 5 times को repeat करो, please. करो, please. Repetition, please.
Mémoire, souvenir, l'esprit, perception, libérer, dégager, débloquer, faire, déconcer, diffuser, se répandre, se propager, tartiner, écarter, déployer, public, public,
Publicité. Répétez après moi.
publicité,
Publicité, because, yes.
publicité,
Mhm.
annonce,
Mhm.
éclame, divertissement,
Mhm.
savu,
Recevoir. Répétez après moi.
recevoir,
Because OI sound is
rece-
wa. OI sound is wa. Recevoir.
recevoir,
Mhm.
nourrir, nourrir, accouer,
Accueillir. Repeat after me. Accueillir. Repeat after
accueillir,
me. Accueillir.
accueillir,
Yes, repeat after me. Accueillir. Very good.
accueillir,
Mhm.
favorable,
Favorablement. Répétez après moi. Favorablement. Because
favor,
EN sound is on and T would be silent. Favorablement. Repeat after me.
favorablement,
इसको repeat.
favorablement,
Répétez s'il vous plaît. Yes.
amuser,
Amuser. Repeat again. Libérer. We can start from libérer. Répétez après moi. Libérer.
libérer,
Dégager.
dégager, débloquer,
Débloquer. Faire. Libérer.
libérer,
Déconseil. Conseil.
conseil,
Faire.
faire,
Mémoire.
mémoire, souvenir,
Souvenir. L'esprit.
l'esprit,
Perception.
perception,
Divertir.
divertir,
Diffuser.
diffuser,
Diffuser is to spread, broadcast. Se propager.
se propager,
Se répandre.
se répandre,
Tartiner.
tartiner,
Écarter.
écarter,
Déployer.
déployer,
Annonce.
annonce,
Publicité.
publicité,
Divertissement.
divertissement,
Divertir.
divertir,
Amuser.
amuser,
Favorablement.
favorablement,
Favorablement.
favorablement.
C'est clair.
Claire.
You know, mademoiselle, this title कि हम लोग बात करते हैं, whatever we are speaking with a title, because obviously you will get a title, right? So this title we call as titre. Titre. Titre is your title because we are working for the title also. Repeat after me, intitulé. Repeat after me, please. Intitulé. Repeat after me, please. Titre. Repeat after
Titre.
me. Intitulé. Repeat after me. Intitulé.
Intitulé.
Intitulé is also a title. We are working, you know what we say, according to the title, whatever title you will receive, according to the headline, rubric. Rubric, we have headline. We use these content in TEF. I will explain to you how, but first of all, we are working for the vocab. Say Claire. D'accord? So that we have the vocab of TEF. So répétez après moi. Titre, title.
Titre.
Intitulé, title. Rubric,
Intitulé.
headline. Header, headline. C'est clair. The main headline. So répétez après moi. Intitulé. Repeat after me.
Intitulé.
Titre,
Titre.
rubric.
Rubric.
C'est clair, mademoiselle. Can you repeat the vocab, please, mademoiselle?
From the starting.
Exactement, from the starting.
Okay. Mémoire, souvenir, l'esprit, perception, libérer, dégager, débloquer, faire, déconcer,
Très bien.
déconcer, très bien,
No.
dé,
I'm just saying c'est très bien. Very good. Okay, speak, please.
okay, diffuser, se répandre, se propager, tartiner, écarter, déployer, déployer, publicité,
Annonce.
annonce, réclame, divertique,
Divertissement. Très bien.
amuser, recevoir,
Recevoir. Repeat after recevoir.
recevoir,
Distraire.
recevoir,
Distraire.
distraire,
Nourrir. Nourrir.
nourrir,
Accueillir.
nourrir,
Accueillir.
accueillir,
Favorablement.
favorablement,
Exactement.
titre,
Titre. Repeat after me. Titre. Titre.
titre,
Intitulé.
intitulé,
Titre.
rubrique.
Rubric. Can you speak up, Akriti ma'am?
Yes, sir. Mémoire, souvenir, l'esprit, perception, libérer, dégager, débloquer, faire libérer, déconcer, diffuser, se proposer, se répondre, tartiner, écarter, déployer, publicité, annonce, réclame, divertir, divertissement, amuser, recevoir, distraire, nourrir, accueillir, accueillir, favorablement, favorablement, titre, intitulé, rubrique.
C'est très bien. Excellent. Clear. Can you speak up, Bachchi, again? Miss Mademoiselle Lakhanpal?
Yes, mémoire, souvenir, l'esprit, perception, libérer, dégager, débloquer, faire, déconcer, diffuser, se répandre, se propager, tartiner, écarter, déployer, publicité, annonce, réclame, annonce, réclame, divertique, divertissement, amuser, recevoir, recevoir, nourrir,
accueillir,
accueillir, favorablement, titrer,
titre,
titre,
repeat titre, intitulé,
intitulé,
Rubric. Say Claire.
Rubric. Claire.
Now tell me, we did the vocabulary yesterday. How many vocabularies we have done yesterday? We did yesterday. Oh, repeat those vocabulary which we did yesterday. Day before
Okay.
yesterday.
In
Mhm. Repeat the vocab, please.
okay. Ineluctable, dégagé,
Exactly.
élevé,
Mm-hmm.
en- encore,
Mm-hmm.
toujours,
Mm-hmm.
commémer, tout démémer, exprimer,
Mem.
manifeste,
Say mem. Mem. It's not
même,
meme. Mem. Clear?
même, yes.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Exprimer, manifester, formuler, maintenant, actuellement, à présent, au ce moment,
Very good.
lever,
Uh-huh.
élever,
Mm-hmm.
augmenter, lever, relever, poser,
Mm-hmm.
souligner,
Mm-hmm.
rester sourd,
Uh-huh.
fac, voilà, vous,
Fair valoir.
faire
Fair.
valoir,
Mm-hmm.
valoir,
Mm-hmm.
mettre l'accent sur,
Exactly. Clear? So repeat after me. Oze.
oser,
Oze. Repeat after me, please. Oze. Défier. Oze is to dare. Oze is to dare. You know, dare. Oze is to dare. Défier is to challenge. Défier is my verb. Oze is my verb to dare. Oze. Repeat after me, please. Oze is my verb to dare. Défier. Défier is my verb to challenge. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? So repeat after me, please. Répétez après moi.
oser,
Yes.
oser, défier,
Oser is my verb to dare. Say Claire.
clair,
Défier is to challenge. Say Claire. Claire.
clair, clair.
Now, one thing. Check your WhatsApp, please. I sent you one link. Can you check your WhatsApp, please?
Yes, sir.
In that WhatsApp, I sent you some verbs conjugation. Clear? Now, in French language, we have verb pattern. Let me explain to you what is verb, my team. Verb basically, there's some verbs. Now, for example, wake up, to take a bath, to dress up, say Claire. So there's some verbs which start from SE. This is a pattern for French language. There are some verbs which start from SE, sir. For example, se réveiller. Se réveiller is a verb to wake up oneself. So if I want to say I wake up, I will say I wake up myself, you wake up yourself. So I sent you the link for verbs. Say Claire.
Clair,
Say Claire. Now, what you need to do is, because I will not go for a lot of vocabulary, because obviously you have almost 30-40 vocabularies which you need to capture. Say Claire. D'accord?
clair,
Because we have yesterday vocab also. So what you need to do is, you need to see again those video. Say Claire. D'accord?
clair,
Those session. Pen down entire thing and send it back to me. And if in case you find a problem, now for example, you're doing your practice, you're doing your task and you find a problem, call me immediately. Don't wait for the next day, because I want verb has to be complete by today only. Say Claire. D'accord? So I sent you one session. This session I think we run for 35 minutes. One second, let me check. Can you open the session, please? And Miss Lakampan, you already have done day 2, day 3 task. You did with this task. TAF preparation day 1 part 3. You did it.
yes,
Okay, but please send me also whatever you are making in your notepad. Say Claire.
Claire.
D'accord. So you did it day 1, part 3, and okay.
And verb conjugation
You
for
did it verb conjugation, huh? C'est très bien. So, Akriti Mademoiselle, sorry, Akriti Madam, you
Yes,
please
sir.
also send it to me day 2, part 1, because these are serve verbs, and serve verbs is
Okay,
very
sir.
important. I understand you already have done, but there's something in French language which is serve verbs. We forget something in serve verb. Say Claire, that's very important verb. So,
Okay, sir.
अब करना क्या है आपको? Again, open the session, Claire. Whatever I'm explaining, you have to pen down. And if in case you find a problem, call me immediately. Say Claire. Claire, Mademoiselle Lakhanpal. So Mademoiselle Lakhanpal, a Akriti Madam. Akriti Madam, you can send it to me later on because I know because you have your work in the home also. So Mademoiselle Lakhanpal, can you send it to me in the next 1 hour time or the next one
uh,
1.5 hour time?
actually I have to go to work.
I think you also have work. Okay, that's fine. So can you send it to me latest by today evening or late
Yes,
night
yes.
by 10 and 10:30?
By 10. Yes, yes.
Clear? So pen down this content and send back to me so that I will see how much you have grabbed with these servers. Say Claire.
Okay, sir.
D'accord?
Claire.
Claire?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
D'accord.
So I will share the recording of today's session also. Okay.
Mm.
So you have a recording of the sessions. So whenever you're driving, you're in metro, you are in, working. So open those sessions at least, if you're free anywhere. So open those sessions, please. Say Claire. So that these vocab, the moment you listen to vocab again and again, it will fix in your vocab, in your mind. Say Claire. D'accord. So practice hard with this session. I will meet you tomorrow then. Okay? Okay, बच्चों? ठीक है? चलो. Au
Au
revoir.
revoir.
À
Au revoir.
bientôt. Au revoir and practice hard. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Take care.